Lesson come, we don't carry another interesting episode of Sew Am Yourself come, and today we won't learn how to make this fine bra where we display for the screen. So if you're not ready, make we start. So now this strap of fabric will remain, this leftover fabric from one of the projects where I do. Now I want use this, do this pattern. So the first thing what we're going to need to do now to measure the cup size. So the cup size where I want use for this particular pattern now big size, so I could just use 10 inches by 10 inches do for this project. So make we start now, and to start now here we go start the measurement from. So we'll start from this particular end of this fabric. So we will start from here, we will measure 10 inches round. So see as I take fold my own fabric, see so I just fold them into two like this. So just measure your own round. So because of say the way the fabric don't already dey cut, now make it dey like this. So ordinarily it's supposed to dey 2 equal halves. Then you come fold them. Okay, so see as we take fold the fabric, say now the fabric be this, you fold them into two like this, then you fold them into another triangle like this. So you see them, then you come, so you fold them into another triangle like this. Then the next thing we measure from here, the 10 inches, measure around, then you cut them round, cut this side. So now what you do so the next thing we want to do now, we want open the fabric into 2 equal parts. So you see, now this one are one part, this one are the second part. So the next thing we want to do now, I go just fold them like this. I go also cut lining. I go use this material take cut the lining where we go use for this project. So make I go cut the lining, I'll come show now. Alright my people, we don't cut the lining, see am. We don't cut them and we don't attach them. See the interface where we attach put. So now they see am abi. So now the interface be this, that is the gum stay. So this one are the softer one where they call stay now I put. So the next thing we want to do now to cut the dart. So I will just fold the material into 2 like this. I'll just fold them into this triangle. I'll just fold them like this, so that we go fit take cut the dart. We go fit take insert the dart. So to insert the dart, this now the center of this bra. So this now the center of this bra. The next thing what we go do now, I will just mark 1 inch or ½ inch inside like this. So if you mark 1 inch or ½ inch, depends on the bust size. So if the bust size they above 30, just mark 1 inch. So just mark like this. So just mark them here. Then just come up here by 3 inches or 4 inches, depends on you sha. We could just come up by 4 inches. So use your ruler, connect them, connect the lines like this. So just do the same thing for the 2 sides. Then the next thing we will do, after we don't do one for the marker for the 2 sides, we'll go our machine, go sew like this. When you sew and finish, open them, then iron them straight. So I dey use this front part now so that una go understand them well. But you know say now for the back now we go sew the thing put. So just go sew them. Then when you sew and finish, I go come show now the next thing we go do. I dey come, I no go take. Alright my people, we don't go sew the dart. Now see am. So the next thing we go do now, we go just cut off the excess here. We'll just cut off this excess, this side together. So make I go sew and I go come show now. Alright my people, we don't go sew the bra together. Now see am, we don't go sew the lining, the front and the back of the lining. We don't sew them together. So the next thing we will go do now to fix the strap. So now this fabric now we go use take fix this strap. So make I go cut the fabric now, make I come show now. Okay my people, so now like this we go take fix the boning. I go fix the boning for this side. I hope say they show now because I just discover say that one not to show. So you go fix the boning here, so I'm down for here. Then you will come this other side too, fix the boning for this other side. So the boning go hold am for here, the boning go also hold am for here. You see am? So meaning say now this boning na go come give am structure, na go act as the band. So no need for band, we go do am for this side too. We'll put boning for here, just put this hard boning, put am here, so I'm reach here. Then you go put for this other side too, so I'm reach here. Then here you will come knitting the edges, just knitting the rough edges. If you use bias or just use just open am for this other side, knitting the edges. So when you do am finish, make I go do am now, I go come show now final outcome, so that the thing go get small structure, go get structure for this side. This boning now go come make this place stay firm, go come make am stand. So now so we go do am here for this side. So we no go put anything there. When we finish, we go just go knitting the edge. So see the band where I put, now the same, see the band, now this 1 inch band now I use for this for the underbust. So to measure, to know the amount of band where you go use, just measure your round underbust. That is where this bra, where this thing go stay. Just measure the round underbust. So for example, if na 30, just minus 2 or minus 2.5. So now the length of the elastic where you go use be that. So your round underbust minus 2 or 2.5 is okay. So I go do it now. I go come show now the final outcome of this project. So make I go sew this, make I go sew am for here now. I will sew this part together, then I will come show now for my mannequin how the thing come out. So I thank you for watching. Abeg no forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.